Hello guys, so today I have a Redmi 5 with me. It's a rose gold version, 16GB. So we'll be unboxing this phone. So it's a Xiaomi product and a smartphone that's made in India. On the left hand side it's a Redmi branding, top there's nothing, right side the Redmi 5 branding, and here are some specifications. On the back of the phone you can find the name, the 5.7 full screen display, the LED selfie light, the Snapdragon 450, a 14 nanometer octa-core processor, and a 3300 mAh battery. This smartphone comes with 2GB of RAM and 16GB of internal storage. So let's go forward and unbox this. I have some useless scissor with me. Hope this works. Whew. It was tough, man. So on top of there's I guess a silicone cover provided by Xiaomi. That's a very good thing. Not every company does this, but I guess it's good to have a free silicone case. And here is our smartphone. Whoa, it looks good. So I ordered this for my mother. So it's a rose gold color, and yeah, the phone looks pretty good in hands. On the top there's a headphone jack, infrared sensor, noise cancelling microphone. On the right hand side there is a power button and volume rockers. On the bottom there is a microphone and a speaker and some micro USB charger. It doesn't come with USB type C. On the left hand side there is a hybrid SIM slot. I'll open this in a moment. On the back of the phone there's the main camera, fingerprint sensor, and a LED flash with some MI logo. It says made in India, designed by Xiaomi. So now let's go ahead and turn this on. Oh, this is a front speaker wheel, front camera, and some ambient sensors. It also has a LED flash on the front. So here the phone is, the MI logo saying powered by Android. About the device, some warranty information and some in different languages. We don't need that either. Here comes the USB charger cable, charger is adapter, and it's a 5V 2A out with 5V 2A output. And here is our SIM ejector tool. So I'll show you the SIM tray. So yes, it's a hybrid SIM tray. You can even use two SIM cards, or one SIM card and a one memory card. It supports up to 128 gigabytes of memory. I'll just put it back. So guys, our phone is ready. Let's start it up. The build quality is very good. Xiaomi has done a very good job at such a competitive price. The build quality is completely awesome and it looks rich in hands. So I'll just put this silicone case on the back of the phone, and I'll skip this. Next, skip this there. No. Only screen lock. Okay, no, I don't need a lock. Anything else? Agree. Yes. Okay, so our setup is complete. It's loading apps. So I'll just unbox it, unlock it, and yes, so we'll do a simple camera test. Where's the camera? Oh, here is the camera option. And let's do a small camera test. Okay, I'll shoot this. So I've taken a few shots and the camera quality looks pretty good. The focus is good, as it says 1.25 nanometer cam. Okay, sorry, I just messed up. Camera quality is very good, and let's shoot some more images. Okay guys, so that was it for the unboxing of this phone, and if you guys want to see a detailed review about this product, please let me know. So I'll be back with another video, and as I always say, never stop learning.